Someone put a deposit on this car 2 days ago and said they're coming today to pick it up and buy it. We went on the test drive with the mechanics. Like, it's 2021. I bought this car for like $6,000. Wait, so we had the Tesla charging up.
It really is rookie season nowadays, man.
Yeah, we're whipping it. What's going on, y'all? It's another day in the life as a car dealer here in North Carolina. We got a lot going on today. Got a lot of Q50s lined up. We got some Teslas. All right, before we get to the cars, first need to go ahead and open up. Need to grab the keys. It's Acura that I drove home yesterday because it wasn't ready for inspection. Drove really good. It was a good car. I'm gonna get it washed and posted today, hopefully. Go ahead and open up the gate real quick. All right, so let me show you guys some of the cars we have and what's going on today. Someone put a deposit on this car 2 days ago and said they're coming today to pick it up and buy it. We'll see if that plays out today. We have Subaru Crosstrek, Ford Focus, price of $200. We got my personal Q50. I love this car. We have a Mustang. This is a 6-speed manual. We have the Q50s lined up right there. All of them 3.0 liter twin turbo engines. We got the Tesla right here. Bestie, please let me merge. This is kind of funny. Please let me merge before I start crying. Okay, so we got the Tesla charging up. I think it's almost charged. We got a couple cars we need to wash and post today. So it's Mustang. We need to wash it, clean it, and post it today. Also do inspection on this car. And like I said earlier, same thing with that Acura down there. We need to wash it and post it today. So we got those two things on the agenda, and we got a couple other things we need to do. I'll show you guys in 1 second. All right, y'all, a couple stuff happened. We got the boys, Santiago, Alberto. They pulled up. Alberto, ¿qué pasa?
I do, my friend. Good solo professional.
Professional. And the boy Santiago.
I check that right truck.
They're about to check on this Mustang. There's a noise coming from the rear, so they're about to check on it. Customer came for the Q50, so they want to test drove it.
Gran pop de gas, plus front y alternador.
They're gonna change the spark plugs and the alternator on the Tesla. Do an oil change. And the fuel pump and oil change.
And the fuel wire.
Okay. They're gonna do all that on the Tesla. But yeah, so they're gonna check that out. Customers went for a test drive in Q50. Hopefully they buy it. They're laughing it up because these lights are different. So this is a halogen. This is a new headlight I bought. This is an LED. So I'm gonna get a new LED bulb for this one, and they match. Wow, we'll do that. And they're checking on the drive shaft. ¿Qué pasa, my friend?
No, good, my friend.
Bueno,
my friend. Muy bueno.
he said it's good. I don't know. We'll see. All right, we went on the test drive with the mechanics. We didn't hear any noise, but let Santiago drive. We'll see if he knows how to drive. Okay. I don't hear anything either. All right, we pulled back in. Guess the car's good. And we'll go talk to customers that came back with the Q50.
Okay, I got you.
All right, customers came back from a test drive. They liked it. This light doesn't turn on, so he's about to fix that. And this front light doesn't turn on. So Santiago is about to fix it real quick. Look at the Sahaba that pulled up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hadith of the day.
Treat your friend like you would like to be treated.
Inshallah. This is the first one. So this one, it's not that bad. And then the Acura. So those two. And if you need your cars detailed, pop up the numbers right there. Y'all tap in. Charlotte, North Carolina. They'll come clean your cars. Very good. Inshallah. But yeah, all right, they're about to get started and we'll see what's next. It's a Honda Accord. I just picked up from the body shop. Has to get cleaned and everything and washed and posted. So we'll do that. And we'll see the update on Ahmed and Ayan, see how they're doing on cars that they're cleaning. Boys working. Pulling up right now. All right, so here's the Honda Accord that we just picked up from the body shop. Here's what it's looking like. It's 2021. I bought this car for like $6,000 off the auction. Here's what it's looking like. So yeah, and this is the side that got hit. So it was in a side swipe. I'll put up some pictures right now. This is what all got fixed. All we need to do is wash this car now, take pictures, and we also need to do inspection. And this car is ready for sale. And this car passed inspection, so we're good to go. And the boys are cleaning the Mustang, and they're gonna do the Acura next.
All right, yeah, so real quick, here's some information on the 2021 Honda Accord, how much we bought it for, everything we spent on it, and how much I plan on selling it for. So we bought the car after fees from Copart for $6,815, and then the labor costed $1,000 to the body shop, and then the transport was $225, the headlight was $214. I paid $8 for a detail, $67 went for a fender, $46.61 was for a trim piece, $39.58 was for the mirror, and $25 for the inspection, which comes out to $8,512.19. That's how much I'm done with the car at. And then I'm gonna try to sell it for $12,000. Was it like $3,500 profit? If someone offers me like 11 or 11.5, I'll take it. $2,500 to $3,000 profit. That's good. I bought the car November 22nd. You want to try to fix cars as soon as you can. So a couple weeks, car's already done. And yeah, we'll see how much it sells for.
All right, a quick update on on what just happened. We prayed the hood from the last, and then a customer came for one of the Q50s. They came, he test drove this black one. I guess he didn't really like this one. Then he test drove the white one. He said he really liked this one. This is the one he's gonna go with. He said let me fix the headlight. The high beam on this side doesn't work. He wants me to fix that, and he wants me to fix this alignment slightly. We can get those two things sorted out. And he said he'll let me know Monday. If he buys it, we'll see. And yeah, so that's it for the Q50s right now. The boys, they just finished the Mustang. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, doing the tire shine. Mashallah, mashallah. I'm gonna take pictures of the car. Once they finish it, we'll post this car up for sale. I'll be ready. They're gonna go and do the Acura and the Honda, hopefully. Is that right? Yes, sir. So they're gonna hopefully do the Honda and Acura today, and I can post and take pictures of these cars as well. This one will probably be first because it already passed inspection. This one hasn't passed inspection yet. They'll clean these two, and then we'll take pictures and post. They finished the Mustang. They're gonna do the Honda Accord next. Let me show you guys the before. Yeah, boy, whipping it. Yes, sir. Here's the before. So they're gonna do this one while I go take pictures of the red car. On the way to go take pictures. Haram. All right, y'all, we're at the spot where we take pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pictures and show you guys how they come out. And now we're gonna head back to the shop. Car sounds good. Ah. All right, I just made it back to the shop. Car's looking like, drove it back top down. It's a nice car, drives good. Engine is strong, 6-speed manual is fun. So yeah, I think this car should sell good, but it is winter time, so it has to be a negative for this car, but we'll see. Maybe it'll sell quick, but I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and post the pictures of it. All right, the boys are working on the Accord. While they're doing that, I'm gonna use the goof off to remove all these markings from the body shop, remove all of these, this, and remove everything basically, and I'm gonna go take it to car wash myself because I don't think they have enough time to do this one today. So then go to the car wash, clean the outside and clean the inside, and go take pictures. And this car will be ready for sale.
And now for the 2015 Acura RDX, here are the numbers. I bought the car after fees for $38.85 from Copart. $700 was the labor to the body shop to fix it. $250 was the transport to get the car delivered from Georgia. $64.15 was for the battery. The car needed a new battery. And then $52.43 for the taillight and $25 for the inspection. So the total that I'm out with this car completely done is $4,976.58. And now I have it listed for $7,900. So we'll see how much it sells for. Someone comes, they test drive, they like it, and they offer me 7 bands, then I'll just let them have it. 2 bands profit, which is not bad. Boy, Jason pulled up.
Hello everyone. Cut the camera.
Uh-oh.
How do you hold the back 2 seats up? Because there's stuff under it that I want to grab. I think there's like a hidden lock somewhere.
It's rookie season, folks. I'm about to show this guy how it's done. What do you want to do? Okay. It really is rookie season nowadays, man. Turn the car on. Bro missed the buttons completely. Turn the car on. See, there you go.
Wait, okay, hold on. So what's the point of the little polling thing if it doesn't even come up with it?
Yeah, man, don't worry about it.
Well, leave it up.
Leave them all the way up? Yeah, it's on fire.
Oh, wait. Oh, the whole trunk.
Jeez.
Oh, those sheets. Oh, dang.
All right, we are now in the Acura, heading to car wash, clean everything inside myself. All right, I just got done cleaning the car. Quickest wash I've ever done. I forgot the Asla prayer. Completely forgot about it. So I just washed the car real quick, vacuumed it, wiped it down, about 15 minutes. So I'm head back to the shop, pray Asla inshallah, and take pictures of this car and should be ready for sale. All right, and we're back at the shop. How's the food? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. All right, a lot happened, but they finished the Honda Accord and the Toyota Camry sold. Customers came, they bought it. Alhamdulillah. Sold for $8,000.
Oh yeah, for the 2017 Toyota, somebody, like I said, put a deposit on the car for $200. He held it until Saturday. Car sold on Saturday, so he bought the car for $8,000. It was a good buy for him. Toyota, right? Toyotas are good cars. That's what the car sold for.
And the body guy, he came and dropped off another Infiniti Q50. This one right here. Here it is. 3.7 liter. Came out pretty good, honestly. It was a side swipe, so he fixed that. Came out pretty good. Toyota's gone. This car, we have to take pictures of it, so I might go do that. Dang, but I have to go pray at the mosque soon. I might just close up and we'll come back to this on Monday and call it a day. So it's looking like that's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys learned something, it's the end of the video. It's the outro.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.